guys, welcome back. We're taking a look at Solana, more importantly, the $80 level. Currently, we're sitting at 82.02 and we've seen this decline happening. Now, all of this would have been prepared for you guys. Firstly, you can see this exact rejection coming in at the negative 17% on Solana, where we saw the price reject. More importantly, we have this massive zone coming in at around this whole 89 to 105, in which we've seen multiple times of rejection as well and seeing the price decline. So far, you can see how Solana is holding up at around $80, hence why we are talking about why it's do or die, because Solana needs to hold 80 extremely well. If at this current state, we're seeing Solana fall below 18, it's going to create more panic. Now, I want to make it very clear that in the long term, I am still extremely bullish on Solana. And that is why I'm talking about more of looking at this as a discount. Because what I think will happen is that if we do fail to hold above 80, we are going to be looking at a bigger fall, potentially looking at 60, 50, potentially even $40 for Solana. But that would obviously be the prime opportunities for us to be DCAing or for us to be getting into Solana. Now, we haven't been making videos for a while now, and there's a very good reason for that. There has been so many good trades, and even if you guys watched my previous video, you would have been prepared for this. I want to show you guys some of the trades that we obviously took. A small one would be, you can see here, 62%, 124%, 1000% on Solana. And these are all some of the things we've mentioned. You can also see here as well, 125. So we're trying to capture both sides of the movement, wherever it's this short position here, wherever it's this long position here. Just to talk about why I'm still extremely bullish, these are all things that I'm trying to look out for. Now, of course, there will be red days as well. You can see here a negative 64.5% on Solana. But the whole aim is to make your losses small, but your wins big. And hence we're looking at 125, 1001, 124, 62%. And so these were all pinpointed in terms of where we're looking out at, the rejection coming in at what levels. And the long was obviously very simple. Anytime it gets close towards this $80 area, for me, it's prime area. For me, right now, it looking like a lot of bias. And it's why I'm talking about only at that case of 80 failing to support and we fall below 80, that's when you're looking at the price to be falling even further. If you want to look at some of the short-term time frame of where we currently are now, you can see, again, rejection coming in at the Fibonacci. This is something that we've already highlighted. The rejection coming in at this 89 zone, coming in once again. And currently, we're seeing the price fall, and we're seeing more and more selling occur. We're not really seeing, market highs being made in terms of the hourly. We are looking at the price to be falling even further. Some of the areas to be looking out for right now is where we are at. If you drag out and look at where the prices have been holding, you can see multiple areas coming in around here where price, before it makes a drastic movement, this was where price was stagnating. And so we are at this level again. And so this could be the time where we do see Solana fall below 80 towards that $80 level. And if it does happen, obviously don't panic, because just like what we looked at here with the 1000% gain, if we are seeing 80, normally it would be a good buying opportunity. And I just want to highlight that only if we fail to see it hold, should you look at the short position. Now, if you don't want to miss out on even shorter time frame positions, because there will still be long opportunities, there will still be short opportunities, even where we are at right now, then make sure you click that subscribe button. I obviously cover it here on the channel to make sure that everyone can capture these movements. But as always, none of this is financial advice, and I'll catch you guys next time.